problem, you are given several identical resistors, each of value 5 ohm, and each capable of carrying a maximum current of 2 ampere. So maximum current it is given, each capable of carrying a maximum current of 2 ampere. So problem we can take like this. Here several identical resistors are given. Let us suppose here some identical resistors are taken and connected like this. And here each one is capable of is having a resistance 5 ohm. It is given in the problem, each of value 5 ohm. And now see here, if these are connected like this, each is capable of carrying a maximum current of 2 ampere. Means each is not carrying 2 ampere. It have the maximum capacity to allow the current through it is 2 ampere. So for that purpose, so let us suppose if I take the combination like this. If I take the combination like this, see this is a multiple grid combination. See here let us see through if I take the combination of all these resistors which allows the maximum current of 2 ampere. Here also the combination of all these resistors which are in one row of series, they also allows 2 ampere current math. Like that finally we have to get a current of 4 ampere. It is required to make a suitable combination of this resistance to this resistance of 2.5 ohm, R equivalent 2.5, and overall current it should carry 4 ampere. So if this combination is connected to a battery like this, then this combination, so this combination should carry a current of I is equal to 4 ampere. So you already know. So current I is equal to 4 ampere in parallel path. So this 2 ampere again comes here and rejoins here, and again 4 ampere current. So like this it will come. So this is how this. So now 4 ampere is distributed among these two, among this row and among this row. See, suppose number of rows here it is 2 columns. Number of rows is equal to, that we can say m, and that is given as 2. That we are getting it as 2 according to the problem. And number of columns, vertical columns, so that we have to find out. Let us suppose number of columns are n. Number of columns n. This n value you have to find. So in order to find this n value, let us redraw this picture once again. See here. So this whole combination of all this, suppose n resistors are there, up to n resistors are there. So n resistors, up to n resistors are there. So in series combination, resistances will be added up. Individual resistances are added up. So 5 plus 5 plus up to n. So n into 5. Again this is also n into 5. So we can equivalent circuit diagram we can draw like this. So equivalent resistor for the upper row is n into 5, and even for the lower row also equivalent resistance circuit is again n into 5. So this is 5N resistor and this is 5N ohm resistor. So like this the circuit can be redrawn equivalently. So now again 4 ampere current is going here, and again 2 ampere current is coming and flowing, 2 ampere. So whatever the inward current, they will come like this and combine here again. Finally 4 ampere current is circulating throughout the circuit. So now see, R equivalent for this combination is given as, R equivalent for this combination is, this is parallel combination, 5N parallel combination is given, means 5N by 2. And according to the problem, this R equivalent is given as 2.5. 2.5 ohm means again 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 gets cancelled, which implies n is equal to 1. Therefore number of resistors we can write it very easily now. Number of resistors required, minimum number of resistors required is given by, minimum number of resistors required is given by m into n. So suppose 2 rows m and n. So m into n, if I write m is 2, n is we got 1. So number of resistors required is 2. This is the answer to the problem. So thank you very much for watching. Keep subscribing to our channel. Thanks a lot.